You're in Antara Zouqh. When you see such deliciousness, there is our taster is ready with a smile, a very big one. And there are such amazing stuff from JHIBHE JAL once again, because we all loved it and they felt that because of our unboxing video, they got a beautiful response out of it. So thank you everyone. So without any further delay, let's start unboxing it. Actually, I have already opened up all these packets because I am doing the unboxing today alone with Ansh. Hera? So are we gonna enjoy? Yes, we are. So can you just open that also? So these are curries. Basically, they are chicken curries. Yes, this I believe is the chicken roast. This should be Rezalla. And what is this? It would be really nice if they wrote it down, but I guess it's okay. What is this? What do you think it is? Chicken chop.
Chicken chop.
Chop na baba, chop. So I've got some roti there. Ansh, can you give me the spoons? Yeah, thank you. And you can take a roti. So let's start the process. Alright, so here is the chicken roast. Looks good, guys, looks really good. There you go. Got a roti there, a homemade roti. I think they also have paratha and everything, but today we kind of, thought that we will have homemade roti. Hai na, Ansh?
Yep.
This is chicken Rezalla. Look at
Rezalla.
Rezalla. You want to try with Rezalla first?
No.
Okay. And this is chicken chop. Now, this is also a leg piece only. So we'll have to see. I am not able to take it out with one hand. So a lot of the viewers have asked me why don't I come on the camera, because, well, guys, I am the one who is shooting, so really I can't do that. Alright, so here we go. I'm starting with Rezalla. Check that out, beautifully cooked. Yes, come here. Come here. It's beautiful. It's exactly Kolkata style Rezalla. It's a little sweet. It's really spicy. Come here. So here you go. What do you think? What do you think? You liked it? I told you. It's really good. Okay. Very nice. Very interesting flavors. Really. Okay, now let's try the. Now let's try this guy. Yeah. Okay, there's a bone. Now let's try this guy. Stark contrast, guys. Both the gravies taste very different. Very different. Very good. Now, let me just try the gravy of chicken chop. The best part was all these three gravies are very different. They all have chicken, but they're tasting completely different. Also, Ansh, what do you want to try? Do you want to try the gravy? Yeah, this is chicken chop. You like it? Yeah? He knows. With JHIBHE JAL, he knows that this is going to be really tasty. Also, along with all these gravies that they have sent me to try, they have also sent me some of these older ones.
Which were there last time.
Yes, which were there last time, because I loved it so much on camera they decided to send it to us. And Ansh, I think you would like to open this guy. So, and of course, Ansh's favorite, he's dying to try it. Go ahead, just break it. Did you like it? Are you sure about it? How do you like the chicken? All the chicken pieces. They were good, huh?
These two and the one which I'm having
Was there last time.
was there last time.
So guys, if you like what you saw today, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and try these guys out. They are really good. All three gravies.
Let us know in a comment below.
Yes, please let us know in a comment below if you liked our video. And as I was saying, all these three gravies are so different that you need to try. Over here we have, I think, the Pabda Paturi, which I loved last time. And this is the Potol Dorma, which is pointed gourd, which is filled with some paneer. So for vegetarians also, they have a lot of options. So this is really good food, guys. Proper authentic bong food. All these three gravies are really a standout. So don't forget to order from them the next time you crave bong food.
You will have to always order.
Yes, you'll have to always order. So now Ansh will just say, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to let us know in the comment below, and
What do you need
press
to?
the bell icon.
Oh, don't forget to press the bell icon and let us know in a comment below what are they going to know about the... Okay, that one we have to save. You have already eaten one. No.
Only one piece.
One piece you have already eaten. So now let's save this guy. Okay. So with that, it's a wrap. Cheers.